Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So I just received this box in the mailbox and I kind of know what's inside this box. So let's go ahead and unbox it real quick. So I'm using this kind of a knife, and as you see, it's the Govee Light Plus. So basically this is a light that you can put on your desk. It's kind of the same as the Philips Hue. You may have saw this light in my previous videos. I use it all the time. And since this light works very good, I just need to be honest, this light is very good to have on your desk. I thought to upgrade to 2 more of these lights. So without further ado, let's jump straight into this video. So right out of the bat, we see that this thing works with Google and with Alexa. Unfortunately, it seems like it doesn't work with iOS, with Siri. But hey, that doesn't matter. I use Siri on the Philips Hue, but if this is remote and there's an app that comes along with this light, I believe the app will be sufficient. So let's go ahead and see what's inside this box. So let me use this kind of improvised knife just to open this box. So let's open it this way. And I kind of like to keep the box in a good shape. So what we have here, it seems like we have the support email. Just to send them an email if we need help. So let's put that one aside. Some paperwork in here that shows us how this thing works. If you want to attach it to a TV, that's also possible, but that's not what I was intended to do. And as we see here, it uses a Type-C cable, which is something I do like. So I believe inside this box is where the lights are stored, and that's the case. And here we have the first one, and this is the second one, and there's nothing more inside this box. So let's put that away. And both lights are connected to a USB-C cable, and it seems like they are both connected to one USB-C cable. So that's interesting. Let's put that aside. And it looks like if we peel this thing off, we can just stick it on our desk so that it doesn't move all directions. So let's put this aside and let's start resembling this whole thing. Oh, I didn't saw it in the first place. There's also this control box that controls the whole setting, and apparently you can just stick it somewhere where you don't see it. And after that, you need to attach this USB-C cable to the lights so that you can control it with the app. So like I said before, we have 2 types of brackets. So this one in here is a TV mounting bracket, and this one is the table mounting bracket. So like I said, I will not use this one to attach it to a TV. It will stand on my desk. So what we are about to do is to attach this bracket, the table mounting bracket, to these lights. So let's go ahead and attach them. And this way the lights goes on. So just my first impressions, I should say the lights looks very good. They even look better than the Philips lights, if I might be honest. There's one downside I need to talk about, which is these cables. It would be a bit better if they had a hole in this one where the cable will go through, so that way you can just kind of hide the cable behind the table. This way, if you attach the light to this table bracket, this cable will still be visible. But hey, you can solve that problem by just remove this whole bracket and just put them on your table this way. And maybe kind of hide this cable behind a table or behind the edge of the table. That way you can just splash some light to a white wall and that light will be bounced back. So that's what this light is all about. There's just one thing I need to show you, which is this app that we can download, so that way we don't have to use the bridge. So if we just scan this QR code, so let's go ahead and scan it, and we will be directed to the Govee Home app. and just like that. So once you've opened your app, the layout should look something like this. You hit that plus button, you go to indoor lighting, you scroll down and you go to Govee Flow lights, and your phone or the app should now connect, or should now search something that can be connected to this bridge. I think it's this one though. So let me just try to connect both devices into each other, and yep, they are connected. Yeah, you can use that email. I need to fill in the password of my email. So you can position the lightning bars to the right side. So if you want to have, so if I click on this one, so the left one on the app is connected to this one in here. And if I turn it on and I turn this off, this one, the right one on the app is connected to the left one in here. So what you can do is just switch them off. That way you know which one is which, but that doesn't matter. Position is correct now. You can change this into music, into a one stand color, into a scene, a movie scene, or a candlelight, or romantic, or whatever, rainbow. But I do kind of like just one light. I don't like those plenty of light that you just see right now. And you can even do it yourself by a DIY shortcut that we see here. Furthermore, yeah, you can just select multiple colors as you see here. You can make it a cold white or a warm white. You can change it in the color. You can select the color wheel and all of that. So it's a good light just right out of the bat. I haven't reviewed it. I just unpackaged it. So my first impression is good. But from my experience, I need to have these things like for a week or so, or 2 weeks, just to give you guys a full review on that. So that's what I will do for about 2 weeks. I'll come back with another video and show you exactly how these things works, how I have installed them on my desk and all of that. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about the Govee light, leave that in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.